All right, y'all. So we have a dope sneaker that's dropping tomorrow. We got this Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined that's going to be dropping. A super clean sneaker, but I'm telling you guys, do not buy them on release day. Here's why.
Glad I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth. Happy Valentine's Day for each and every one of you guys out there. Make sure you guys out there doing some love stuff. You feel what I'm saying? Today, we're going to be talking about this sneaker right here that's going to be dropping tomorrow. And this was a highly anticipated sneaker in 2024. And they pushed the release back, and I don't know what happened to it. And now here it is, 2025, and we're finally getting the official release date. But I think you should hold off and not spend the retail value for this sneaker, because I do believe you'll be able to get it for under retail. But before we get off into this content, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate that. Hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. Turn the notification bell, share the content, comment down below, do all those great things. It lets YouTube know that you're interested in the content, and it pushes it out to more viewers, which hence means more views. So I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys go ahead and do all those great things. Now, let's talk about this sneaker. So the Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined. I do have this pair that came out in 2016. It doesn't have the Air Jordan on the side. It has a wing logo, and it has the white tongue instead of the black tongue. Just a little bit of minor differences. And of course, they went with the age outsole on the pair that you're going to be purchasing tomorrow or whenever you decide to purchase it. And this is a sneaker that when I first heard that it was going to be dropping, a lot of other content creators, they were saying that the quality was better than the lost and found Jordan 1s. And for some reason, it got pushed back. But retailers in a lot of mom and pop stores actually put their pairs on shelf. And the sale price went down. You start seeing pictures of them sitting at outlets, and nobody was copping this sneaker. Fast forward 5-6 months later, here we are 2025, and we have the official release date dropping tomorrow on the sneakers app and other retailers, major retailers. A lot of places have this sneaker, and these things will be available. This is a disclaimer. This is just my opinions and my thoughts. If you really want this sneaker, purchase it tomorrow at full price. That's fine. I don't think that's a bad mistake. Financially, I think this is a dope sneaker. I think it's worth every bit of the 180, 190, whatever it is. But I'm going to say that if you decide to just hold off a couple of days as people get their pairs in and everybody else already got theirs, based on the data that we've seen from this sneaker, I think you'll be able to get it for under retail. So what I mean by that is, for over the last 5 or 6 months, this shoe has been sitting on StockX and GOAT and other aftermarket resale places, even Facebook Market or even Facebook, or even local resellers just trying to offload this sneaker, and they were selling it for below retail at points, 115, 120, and you're talking about for those major big sizes, the sizes 11 to size 13, these shoes are selling for under retail, and I think it's going to be the exact same thing when it comes to this sneaker. Not because this sneaker is not fire, just because I feel like it's so many other sneakers dropping, and this is going to be a sneaker that kind of gets lost in the sauce, but people are going to go back and get it later on. But I do think you'll be able to get it for under retail. But let me show you guys some of the analytics and the numbers I'm talking about. All right, so as you guys can see right here, the last sale was $182. That is literally sitting right at retail, and this is the day before release. But the lowest ask is $147, the highest bid is $190. Even the ask in the highest bid is just very close to retail. But if we look at the all asking prices for each size, man, you see $150, $147, $511 is just crazy. Somebody's just asking for that. Nobody's paying that. But, you know, bigger sizes, $177, $180, $181, $189, $188, $169. So depending on who's putting these sneakers up for sale and how bad they want this money back, and they just need to get their money and recoup from buying these shoes because they expect them to resell like crazy, you're going to be able to get a steal and even deal back and forth with people and get this shoe for a reasonable cost. And even as we look at the previous sales of this thing, right? As we look at it, we see a size 10, 146, 175, 182, 182. But look down, 124 at one time you were able to get this sneaker. 103 for a size 10, 155 for a size 7.5, 124 for a size 8. But it's just one of those things. Even if we go to just like the different sizes and we want to look at bigger sizes, because, you know, that's what people are saying, that those are the money makers, right? So as we look at the bigger sizes, let's go to in 11.5. So if we look at the view data market for 11.5, as you guys can see right here, 182, 182, 124, 175, 170, 173, But as we continue to go down, as you guys can see right here, you had 124, 160, 146, 137, 139, 129, 157. As you got 123, 124. As you guys can see, these things have been sitting on there and they have went below retail. If you are not in a rush to get this sneaker, there's gonna be somebody that's willing to put this sneaker on StockX, GOAT, or whatever platform it is to resell this thing because they thought that this thing was gonna do really, really good numbers. It really didn't. They need their money back and they just want to recoup something. They just want to get something. So I'm going to encourage you guys to just sit this release out and see what happens. Will Nike pull them off the sneakers app and say, hey, they sold out? I think they will. But I think they'll show up on the Nike app later on, 10, 15 minutes later for you to purchase. And there's going to be restocks of them as well. It's a lot of pairs of these sneakers out there. But y'all comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions are. How do you think the sneaker is going to do? I think it is a dope sneaker. They actually gave us special packaging for this one, unlike the breads when you're paying $250. So that's a plus. But this would definitely be a sneaker that if you guys want to get it, I think you'll be able to get for under retail. And it's extremely dope sneaker. That's all I got for you guys today. Hey, make sure you guys hit that like button. Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions are about these things. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We got back, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.